Hey everyone, so here in Fonto app I'm using a plain black image. You can use any of the image from your gallery. So here in the add text section I'm gonna write my name. You can write whatever you want. And here I'm using Beauty and the Beast font. The link is in the description. Now by adding brackets at the end and starting of the text, you will get a bubble type of ornament here. So yeah, which gives the text an aesthetic look. Also you can add different types of bracket at the end and starting of the text to add different types of ornaments. And yeah, it is done. A super easy step for super aesthetic text.